Master blind typing, the key to efficient writing. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to unlock the secrets of blind typing. It's a skill that can boost your writing speed and accuracy. Whether you're chatting with friends or drafting an email, let's dive into what it means to type blindly and why it's an important skill for English learners. Blind typing, also known as touch typing, is the ability to type without looking at the keyboard. It means your fingers know where each key is through muscle memory. This skill allows you to type faster and more efficiently because you can focus on the screen and not the keys. When you master blind typing, you'll enjoy numerous benefits. It's not just about speed, it's also about accuracy and comfort. You'll make fewer mistakes, have less neck and shoulder strain, and be able to write for longer periods without getting tired. Learning to blind type is a step-by-step process. 1. Familiarize yourself with the keyboard layout. 2. Practice home row key placement where your fingers return after typing. 3. Use typing software or online games to practice regularly. 4. Avoid looking at the keyboard, cover it if needed. 5. Speed will come with time and practice. Focus on accuracy first. Consistent practice is key to becoming proficient at blind typing. Here are some tips. Set aside time each day to practice typing. Start with simple exercises and gradually increase difficulty. Track your progress with typing speed and accuracy tests. Keep your posture straight and hands positioned correctly. Blind typing is an invaluable skill that will serve you well throughout your life. We hope this video has shed light on its importance and given you a starting point to develop this skill. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be typing confidently without a glance at the keyboard. Happy typing, and see you in the next video.